Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign into Dropbox, the desktop version, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, as well as the desktop application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Dropbox desktop application. Search for this. Enter to open up Dropbox. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded on screen, we will be required to type in the account credentials to get into the account. Let's now sign in with Dropbox. Open sign in. And so we have an API request for authorization. That's okay. Let's now click on allow. This will connect Dropbox for the desktop application. And that's what's happening now. Welcome to Dropbox. We are then required to go through a quick desktop application walkthrough. Let's go. Welcome. Right click files to take action. Synchronize across all Dropbox. Take your Dropbox to the next level by upgrading. Let's just keep the basic plan for now. Open up the Dropbox. We would then be required to enter the password for Dropbox to work correctly. And this is the password for your computer, not the Dropbox account. Click on OK. We now have the ability to add files to Dropbox via Finder. Let's go to Computer Science Videos, Dropbox, and there we go. We can now start to synchronize data on the Mac computer. It will then be uploaded to Dropbox via cloud storage and synchronization. We can then see that the synchronization has started. So we have that CSV folder that was created in the previous tutorials. We have the trial document and the icon, which we will synchronize again when required to in the previous or in the future tutorials. Let's now quit Finder. Let's now quit Safari. Remove these notifications. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.